Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of August 24, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term stock price direction for a swing trade so that they can make bigger profit potential. Last week, the market tried to find a way to break out the all-time high, and they be able to go above that. Let's see what the market they want to do for the next week. The current market is still in the uptrend. If you look at the chart, the price is still up. Everything is still up. The U.S. manufacturing is expanding, and the jobless claim is falling slightly. The only thing that we have to pay attention is the Fed said that there will be a bumping road for the recovery, even though we are still in uptrend. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with high probability of winning and low risk trade. This is the only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like 401k and IRA account. But we understand it's hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and see how the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income as well as manage your own stock portfolio. Last week, the technology stock list the market like Apple hit to 500 level, Tesla over 2000, Adobe, Amazon, Nvidia. They all try to find a way to go higher and leading the market to go up. This week, we will focus on the home builder and home sale. Last week, the home builder and the home sale break the record high. So this week, a lot of them they're going to have a earning report. So let's see them able to keep the momentum for this week. And the other sector like food service and retail sector, they still doing well. So we will go over all of them for you at the end. So first of all, let's look at the chart of the SBY, which is the SB 500 spider. And then right now you see that in the February 19, 2020, the all-time high at 339.08. So right now we're at the 339.72. So we are about 64 cents above the all-time high. So right now at this moment, look at the chart, look at the price, everything is still an uptrend. So we still have some more room to roll. So we stick with the uptrend until the chart changing the direction. And on the E-mini SP 500, we also be able to punch to the resistance, and now we head to the next destination. We have some resistance on the top here, but let's see if the market be able to continue to carry that momentum, or we will have to pull back and 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 sideways correction before we can go higher. The Dow still have a trouble to get back to test the all-time high. They are still fall below, but the last 2 days they try to gain some momentum. Hopefully they'll be able to get back and retest the all-time high. The NQ is the strongest one in the pack. They be able to continue and lead the market, and then they continue to the upside. At this moment, it's no resistance on the top. They make it all high, and then they continue to do that. So the momentum is still strong for the technology stock. The Russell 2000 it also fall behind. It lie down, so they go up. But right now they're in a sideways right now. So in order for them to go higher, they have to break this level and continue to retest the all-time high lie down. And gold the last couple of days they losing momentum, so they are to sideways correction right now. In order for gold to go higher, they need to break out this level and then find a way to go back up. Otherwise, we will still have we do see some more correction before they can stabilize and find a way to go higher. So the oil, it also goes sideways. They go down, they put it back up, they slam it back down. So they still in the sideways correction also. And the euro is also hit to the resistance. They couldn't go higher, and then now they are still in the downside. So in order for them to go higher, they have to break through this level. Otherwise, they continue to make a low high, low low, and sideways correction. Bond it try to push it back up, but they right now they have a tip resistance at this level. So if the market is to go higher, bond needs to stop here and then reverse. If the bond continue to go higher, that is sign of the trouble for the market also. And the Bitcoin is still going sideways. They still below the Dow trend line at this moment. They have some support here. As long as they can stay above here, they can break out. They can find a way up. If they break below the Y line here, they can go down further to test to the next level of support. So if you look at the a lot of stock last week, we have been follow, like Target. They shoot at all-time high right here, very strong, and they break out big time, and then now they still hanging there. So if you already in the trade, you need to manage to see are they to keep momentum to go up at this moment. If any sign of taking profit, and you need to take profit also. And the FedEx also hit the all-time high there, and couple stock like MCD, the food stock like McDonald's, it's still doing well. They still find a way to go back up, and a lot of software to support for the people like Visa that to try to break out, and then they try to find a way to go higher. And this week we will focus on a couple of home builder, strong one like DHI. So this one here is still very strong stock. They do try to find a way up, but this week they announced the earnings, so we see that how far they can get up there. And Toll Brothers, it's another one for home builder. They're all doing extremely well with this market right now. The more home sell, the more people need to build a house. So the more people stay home, seem like they more focused on their house. So they will buy more. We need more builders to, to take care of the demand right now. So that's all of the stock I have for you next week. So let's see where the market heading to, and every day we will update for you. If anything change in the market, we will let you know so that you can be aware and take care ahead before anything go in the wrong direction. Okay, so right now the market is still in uptrend. We'll take an uptrend until they show you that the sign of correction, and then we will go from there. Alright, so if you like what I'm doing for you here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give me a thumb up. Otherwise, if you want to learn more about technical analysis, how to read the price chart, how to make some extra daily income, as well as manage your own portfolio, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.